So one of the major things that I do outside of my activities as a licensed insolvency trustee is I teach and practice martial arts. One of the key aspects of studying and practicing a martial art is that you have to bring a strong sense of focus to the problem, and you have to approach that problem with the end in mind. I've done a lot of different things in my life. All of these skills it's like they created a different piece of everything that I bring to the table as a licensed insolvency trustee. I really think that everything I've done in my life, although it wasn't intended, created the skill set that I bring to bear as a licensed insolvency trustee. But it's been the best thing that I've ever done. This career is very rewarding. I love every day. 9 times out of 10, the person that I'm meeting, I have something in common with, right? Factory workers, I've done that. I've worked in a factory. Self-employed people, contractors, I've lived that life. I've done that. Soldiers, police officers, right? Those kinds of people that have those high-stress jobs where, you know, their attention is on their job and it's not so much on their finances and things got away from them. You know, I understand that mindset. So I think it's really the fact that I have such a broad experience. And then coupled with that, my martial arts study allows me to put together a toolkit that really helps me to help other people. Everyone's hesitant about taking this step. There's a lot of information out in the marketplace that isn't necessarily correct. The most powerful thing about this job, and the fact that our focus here at Michalos is entirely on personal insolvency work. So the kind of work that we do is personal and helping people solve their financial problems. And the greatest part about it is the transformation that you witness almost with every client. Every person that comes through the door has got a significant problem to the point where their ability to solve it they've realized they cannot do it themselves. They need help. And many people come through that door literally crushed. And the best thing that I like to see is, you know, in 30 minutes time after that initial consultation, people leaving that room brighter, happier, with hope. I'm Brian McIlmoyle. I'm a licensed insolvency trustee.